Damon here with IGN News. NASA's New Horizons spacecraft has photographed evidence that a lake may have existed on Pluto millions or even billions of years ago. The image was taken on July 14, 2015, but published by NASA last Thursday, and shows details as small as 430 feet. A post on NASA's website says, this feature appears to be a frozen, former lake of liquid nitrogen located in a mountain range just north of Pluto's informally named Sputnik Planum. The lake appears to be as wide as 20 miles across. New Horizons principal investigator Alan Stern said, in addition to this possible former lake, we also see evidence of channels that may also have carried liquids in Pluto's past. For all your space news, stick with us here at IGN.